Hey guys, I'm Paul Foster from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. I want to give you a bit of a tour of a home we recently renovated. It's a 1980s home. We did the exterior, and the objective here was to both modernize the look of the home, but to also improve its performance. So the first place we started was with the siding replacement, and before we did that, we added some exterior rigid insulation to the home. And that helps to improve on the total R value for the wall assembly and makes the home warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer. And these 80s homes are traditionally framed with the 2x4 walls. You don't have as much space for insulation within the wall cavity, so this is a great way to increase your R value without having to do a major interior renovation to accomplish that. Siding wise, we added some new vinyl siding at the rear and sides of the homes, and on the front we added some James Hardie siding, which is a fiberboard product, which is not flammable like a vinyl product, so it's a nice upgrade in that regard, and also gives some nice curb appeal. In regards to the windows, we replaced what was once some wood framed windows, dual pane. They're now a triple pane window with a metal clad frame, so you have zero maintenance on the outside. Great performance with the triple pane. We also replaced the previous bay window with a new bay window, which is a far different design. We've squared it off, so it looks far more modern now, a lot less obstruction within the line of sight from within inside the home looking out. And overall, these are all treated with sunstop products to help, again, reflect the UV rays and help to keep the heat out when you want it out in the summer times. We also replaced the brick arches in this home. These would be your traditional 80s brick arches, and we took those things down, reframed them, and cladded the post and beam look with a Luxe architectural product, which is a steel siding product with a wood grain print on it. Gives it a very nice look, but no maintenance because it's a metal product. We also replaced the soffits, fascia, and gutter. We went to black for the gutters and the fascia, and went to the matching Luxe wood grain soffits. That really helps to modernize the look, and again, really an improvement from your classic white or brown soffits. The final thing would be the new overhead door in the garage. This thing is well insulated. It's a very well built door. We have the lights in the door in a very modern design, lets a lot of light into the garage, but performs really well. So it really rounds out the renovation, gives it a great look, really transformed this home from your classic 80s into a very modern looking home that performs really well. Thanks for checking out the video. Stay tuned for more videos and tips on renovations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. My name is Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Have a great day.